Hello, my name is Pascal Wehrlein. I'm 26 years old. I'm German. I'm currently racing in Formula E for the Heuer Porsche Formula E team. In the past, I was DTM champion in 2015 and I drove 2 years in Formula 1, 2016 and 17.
Hi, my name is Rich Connor. I'm the performance coach for Porsche Motorsport. I started in Formula 1 with Mark Webber, and then I came across to Porsche for the LMP1 project, which is 24-hour Le Mans, and now I'm working with Pascal in Formula E.
Kitesurfing is a super cool sport, and I'm very excited that Porsche and Duotone are collaborating. There are a lot of synergies between motorsport and kitesurfing, and we will show you that in the exercise.
Pascal and myself will help you work through the exercises, including a warm-up, the workout and the cool-down to prepare you and get the best out of yourself when you're on the kite surfer.
For me as a racing driver, it's very important to be physically strong and to prepare my races. And I know for kite surfers, it's as important as it is for us.
There are a lot of similarities between our racing drivers and kite surfers in terms of the muscle groups that they use. So we've prepared some exercises for you guys to work through, regardless of whether you're a beginner or an expert.
All right, Rich, we talked enough.
Let's get started.